Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. Thanksgiving week has officially begun, and let the games begin. I don't know about you if you're cooking for Thanksgiving. I start this week slowly and build until the final event, which is on Thursday. I got just a few things I'm going to be doing in the kitchen today. And then again, just build. I have a plan and I'm going to work it. Do you have your plan? All right. Last night was Sunday night, date night here at the Tomozik household. And we had Papa Murphy's pizza. It was really good. It was fun. Yeah, you can't beat a Papa Murphy's pizza on a nice, chilly night. We had a nice time, and we got some days ahead that we'll be spending together. Yeah. Tonight, I'm doing something new, new-ish. I'm taking one of my stir fries and adapting it to a comfort rice. Today, I'm going to be making or preparing steak comfort rice. Let's get to it. I've got about 12 ounces of beef chuck, which I'll cut down into small bite-sized pieces. Butter, red onion, which I'll do a thick half slice. Red bell pepper, garlic, some beef broth, Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce, red wine, Szechuan chili flakes, kosher salt, black pepper, and of course you have to have long grain white rice for a comfort rice. So this one's simple, really simple. I'm trying to use the least amount of ingredients possible. I'm not going to deluge it with a bunch of spices and a bunch of herbs. I'm just going to let the Worcestershire and the red wine and the butter do its thing with the Szechuan chili peppers to give it a little bit of a kick. That's it. So, on this Monday before Thanksgiving, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.